this is Mikayla from Airstream DFW. Happy holidays. Today I'm in the showroom standing in front of a Flying Cloud Midnight Flamingo 25-foot front bed queen. I looked back and I realized we hadn't done the 25-foot yet, so y'all could see this layout. And this does have the queen bed, so I'm excited to show you what a queen bed looks like in a 25-foot. I feel like we always look at a twin bed in a 25-foot, so I really want y'all to see that layout too. And this Midnight Flamingo special edition or add-on package, I guess is what is the best way to describe it. Some of the cool features it has, if you haven't been able to see the 27-foot yet, all those same add-on features are available in the 25-foot. So if you have, like, you know, a storage restriction or need something just a little bit shorter, you have that option and still can do this upgrade. So let me show you a few of the things that you're getting on the outside of this trailer. So cool and very unique compared to anything else Airstream makes. Come on, let's check it out. Okay, so right here on, this is the patio side, you guys. You can notice we've got our awning here, and this is gonna be a really pretty gray awning, similar to a Flying Cloud, just a little bit darker. And then the midline trim, that's what this is called if you did not know. The midline trim is actually a blacked out trim, so really pretty here. You can definitely notice that this is a special edition. And then of course, we've got our Goodyear Endurance tires, but our wheels are blacked out. So really nice feature there as well. Now, come check out the front of it. So you can instantly see up here in the front of the trailer some major differences between a regular Flying Cloud and this Midnight Flamingo package. And all of these features I'm pointing out, you guys, they're standard when you add on this Midnight Flamingo. So you're gonna have the blacked out extra stone guard protection here on your stone guards, as well as your propane tank too has the spray powdered coating. Now, what you can't see as I'm standing up here in the front is 300 watts of solar, 2 lithium batteries, and that's gonna be included in this package, you guys. So really nice to have that little bit of upgrade in power systems, but not so much as like a trade wind. If you're not doing that much boondocking and just need some extra power, you have it already included in this package. Now, let me show you the best feature that is included in this package. So I'm sitting in the rear of the trailer, you guys, and you can see this comes with the hatch. So everybody loves the hatch so much. It gives you so much open space from the inside of the trailer to the outside, really bring the outdoors in. You're also gonna have this really nice padded Airstream logo step protector here on the rear bumper storage. This actually has some storage in it. Any Airstream that comes with the rear bumper storage is gonna have some storage down in here. This is just nice to have it protected as you step in and out of the trailer. We also have a screen here, so if you wanna keep the bugs out, you have that option too. And then these new 2026s actually have an upgraded camera this year, really nice and low profile. Keep watching all of our videos to see some of those other changes for 2026, or just search our page for 2026 if you want to see some of the new features in the other models. Okay, let's go inside and check out this new layout. So this is going to look familiar to you. This is a 25-foot, so we're in the rear of the trailer. We've got our dinette. This dinette, of course, is gonna drop down and make a bed. I've got my couch on this side. It pulls out and make a bed. We're talking about this trailer will sleep 6. You know, small people up here. One adult, 2 in the back. Very comfortably. Some nice storage above me. These are also upgraded speakers. You can see they're blacked out. That's gonna be a theme throughout this whole interior in this Midnight Flamingo, right? So blacked out shades on the back, and then this beautiful upholstery. So if you haven't been in the showroom to look at the different types of upholstery and all the different models, I suggest you do. It's really a personal preference. If you like that ultra leather, like a Flying Cloud and International has, it's slick and feels like leather, easy to clean. This is more like an outdoor furniture feel, more like a cloth. So I'll get Rashad to get a up close of this, but it's really soft. And the reason that people have bought this Midnight Flamingo, I think, is purely this upholstery. It's very nice. Your cabinetry, of course, it's a Flying Cloud, so you're gonna have laminate countertops here at the dinette and in the kitchen. But let me show you this kitchen and some of the other blacked out details that they've done in there. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen. A 25-foot has a really nice sized kitchen. You're gonna lose a little storage compared to a 27 through this area, but not too much counter space. You still have a ton of storage up above you in these cabinets. Still have a 3-burner stovetop grill, and then Airstream has added these really pretty blacked out faucets and fixtures. I actually just put these in my house. Like, they're very nice black, very popular, looks very nice and clean. Straight across, you have your refrigerator, and then in your living space, your TV as well. And this TV in this living room is a smart TV and also 12 volt. So perfect for on the road, perfect for my RV campers to have streaming services, and also to be able to turn on the TV on just the battery power. So easy there. You've got drawers all the way down and a convection microwave. And you have the choice of that convection microwave, of course, or an LP oven, whatever makes more sense to you. And then another difference between a 25 and a 27 is going to be the pantry. You guys have seen my videos before. The 27, it expands about twice the size, but this is still great storage for a 25-foot. And once again, we're seeing that black come in to the handles here in the kitchen as well. So let's look at this queen bed. Okay, so we're in the bedroom. I'm gonna show you the bath and shower, I promise, but just wanted to get back here so y'all could see. You've got a TV back here in this bedroom as well. So a 25-foot is the smallest you can get with a separate bedroom and living room where you have 2 TVs and really feel like you're spread out. Now, a 25-foot, you can see I'm sitting on the bed. It is an RV queen, so it's nice and roomy, but it does run this east to west instead of north to south like a 27-foot. So for anyone who's sleeping on this side of the bed, it is a little bit to get around, like you've got some room to actually walk compared to a single axle if you've ever walked inside of one of those where the bed is all the way up against the wall. So nice and roomy, ton of windows in here. We have our panoramic windows, again with these blackout shades. Feels very cool, feels very different than any other regular Airstream. One thing I love about a 25-foot is they do a great job with storage back here. You kind of lose one nightstand, but in exchange, you get this nice hanging closet and 2 big drawers for clothes and blankets and things like that, whatever you need back here. And then of course you have a curtain to close off this area as well. So let's check out that bathroom and shower next. Okay, I'm in the bathroom. Surprise, we have a window. This is a 2026, so we're getting that window here in a 25-foot. So nice, doesn't feel so claustrophobic. You're still gonna have a ton of storage, this nice medicine cabinet, as well as sliding cabinets down here. Big toilet, big porcelain toilet, and then of course all these 2026s have a Fagati water heater. I'm going to talk about that in another video soon so y'all can kind of understand that upgrade that they've made for 2026s. But if you want to go check out their website, it's F-O-G-A-T-T-I, Fagati. It's an instant water heater. So go check that out. So that control is here in the bathroom, and then you have a big mirror too, so you can get ready in this bathroom. And then of course we still have black faucets and black handles and black towel bars. So really, if you're into that really neat black and white kind of look, you're gonna get it in this Midnight Flamingo. Okay, let me stand in the shower so you can see that really quick. Okay, I'm standing in the shower. I know you guys love when I stand in the shower. I'm 5'4", so I have plenty of room. My 6-foot guys, you're gonna be at the top, but there is a little place to sit or set your shampoo bottles. The shower is removable. We've got a clothes drying line here. Really easy to use and clean this shower. We have a max air fan up top for some exhaust so you don't have humidity sitting in this trailer while you're showering after you shower. Highly recommend going to Airstream Supply Co. and checking out a teak mat. Really recommend that to put in the shower. You're gonna lose a little height because it kind of sets up a little, but it really does keep down on the moisture inside the shower. So let's look one more time at the front. I just want y'all to be able to see the whole layout of this front kitchen and dinette area before I let y'all go. Okay, so this is a 2026 Flying Cloud with a Midnight Flamingo package and a 25-foot with a queen bed. So if you need to know exactly what to say when you call me to ask for it. I actually have 27s and 25s in stock right now. And you guys, it's December 15th while I'm filming this. We are so close to the new year. We're very excited. We have been so blessed here at Airstream DFW this year. We've had so many fun opportunities. I've been able to go to the factory this year. We had an amazing first time RV event at the Gaylord. We did that Dallas RV show, and we have met so many of you in person that have told us like 2026 is going to be our year to get an Airstream. So if you are on that cusp, if you are thinking about getting an Airstream in 2026, especially at the beginning, I encourage you to come and call us this week, the next 2 weeks. We are going to be here every day except for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day while we spend time with our families. But we've got some great deals. Management is so excited to get some units out before the end of the year. And so you guys should take advantage. If you're thinking about this, please call us this week. We won't hold you to it, but it'd sure be nice to go ahead and start getting you on your journey. So call us in the showroom, 817-882-6610, and we will see you soon. Thanks, you guys. Bye.